What's going on? Welcome back. So today's request is from Star J. I hope I said that right. So she wanted me to create a design. So we're gonna get started. So we are gonna create just a tad at the side. So let's get into it. It's two parts to it. She also wanted one other design. So let's see if I can make that dream come to life. Okay, so enough is going to be scripted, so we're going to go in here. Let's find a script. Okay, so this one is looking good. This is called the clicker script. I'm gonna use this one. Just narrow this down a bit. Yeah, so like that way that's gonna look. So next I'm gonna go back into Elements and I'm gonna find some letter fonts. Okay, so one thing I just learned is you cannot use, I like the way that look. You cannot use the graphics. It won't go into the frames. So make sure you're using photos. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this because the U isn't adding up. Look at that. Okay. I think. Okay, so the second design is 12 new chapters and 365 new chances. And never mind, just type in number frames. Okay, so we're gonna start with the numbers. So just scrolling down and looking for ones that I think is appropriate for this design. You don't have to use these numbers. You could, you might want a different font when it comes to the numbers, or style, I should say. And just before I go on, if there's anybody watching that thinks this is too fast, you can go ahead and you can check out the original video that I have up. The original video shows more, it's a slower process and has more details on how it is that I do it, the downloading process and the uploading. Go ahead and check it out. I'm going to put that up here for you. So you can go ahead and click on that and check it out after you finish watching this, or you could go and check it out and come back to this, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to go ahead and search for the numbers, and then I am going to play some music so y'all could enjoy and take it in. Okay, well, there you go. 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. This is design. You can always go ahead and use the colors that is specific to your brand or your favorite color, whatever it is that that you prefer. But this is the concept of it. This is how you do it. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know if I came close to your vision or hit your vision, or if this is just the starter for, a bigger picture. So this is this. I'm wrapping it up for today. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you do want to see a shorter, if you do want to see it in slow motion with more details, this is just the music and a few little 1-2 here that I feel, is needed to be said. But other from that, if you want it to be slower, go ahead and run over to the other video that I did and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.